KFC-style fried chicken recipe. Ingredients. For marinade: chicken pieces, wings, thighs, breast 1 kilogram. Milk or buttermilk 1 cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder, optional, ½ teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice, optional, 1 tablespoon. For coating: all-purpose flour 2 cups. Cornstarch 3 tablespoons. Salt 1 teaspoon. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Paprika or red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, optional, ½ teaspoon. For frying: vegetable oil about 1 liter for deep frying. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. Wash the chicken pieces. Mix them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, lemon juice, and milk. Let it marinate in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours, overnight is best. 2. Prepare the coating. In a separate bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, paprika, turmeric, and garlic powder. 3. Coat the chicken. Take the marinated chicken pieces. Dip them into the flour mixture. Then dip back into the milk and again into the flour mix. Double coating gives it the classic crispy KFC texture. 4. Fry the chicken. Heat oil in a deep pan. Fry the chicken over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on size, until golden brown and cooked inside. 5. Drain the oil. Remove the fried chicken and place it on paper towels to absorb excess oil.